What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We hitting y'all with a late upload, super late, but I like better late than never, man. I can give BCG something, man, cause it raining outside, pouring down rain actually. It gonna be like that for the next few days. But I told y'all in the vlogs to come, it was gonna be like that. And man, I've been wanting to record this for a minute. So I'm finna show y'all what I done picked up, man, cause told y'all I'm into different stuff, man. It really called Life of J Malcolm. That's why I show y'all different stuff here and there. Mainly cars, but I show y'all different stuff. And this is a perfect time cause it raining. But first, as promised, I supposed to did a few videos back. I want to shout out the BCG Hangout members, man. If you're not a part of the BCG Hangout or don't know what it is, you might have missed that video. The BCG Hangout, or you probably, if you're on my channel, you probably seen a section. If you look at it on your TV or computer, you probably saw a section that says members only, and it show you the thumbnails and stuff. And it's exclusive content, but it's for the people that's in the BCG Hangout. And it's the way I can just, cause I be wanting to show everybody, man, the exclusive stuff, like when I switch the engine and stuff. Cause I know that people on here really support, and they, you know, y'all solid, like A1 from day one. And it'll never change and stuff. But then you got trolls and stuff. And I ain't trying to get into gratitude of knowing everything I got going on or when I'm pulling a sneak move, and I ain't gonna do that. So the BCG Hangout is what it is, $10 a month. It's all through YouTube. It's a members only thing. Probably been seeing some of the members in the comment section. They got the little badge thing by their name. They get badges and stuff like that, extra perks. I'm gonna be doing exclusive live streams over there, like teaching stuff, like teaching game with YouTube, why I move like I move here and all that. And they get exclusive videos. So basically what happened is the times when I be doing stuff and I wouldn't cut the camera on and I don't record it, I'm now recording it, and then I put it up over there for the members. So you want to join that, it's a join now button. You should see it, or it's a link in the description of every video where you can join. But I want to shout them people out. Cause I said it's all 31 of them right now. Like I said, I wasn't looking for it to be a lot of people anyway. Cause it just is what it is, you know. But Zach Hudson, shout out to Zach Hudson, James Thomas, Troy Edmond. Let me see, get the rest of the list. Isaiah T. Bowers. These the people channel too. J Mel. That's 2 L's, MELL. NC Productions. NC Productions. Rashad Thompson. Fabian Dawson. I think I said your name right, man. If I did, my bad, bro. Get it pulled up net page. I said these are the BCG Hangout members, man, aka the BCG crew. Shout out to my boy Rod G, Frank M, Andrew Hendricks, DeMarcus Finney. Appreciate all of these people, man. Marquel Evans, or Marquel, Marquel. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, bro. Small Block Nate, Big Eye. Shout out to my boy, he show love on everything. AMG Car Salon LLC. Shout out to OG too. Here's OG. Peanuts Automotive. Who else? Shout out to Peanuts Automotive, man. I see his name a lot too. Anthony Williams, I see your name. I see all these guys' name a lot, man. TJ, I gotta get the page. Elijah, 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 Mac Boney, My big bro, Old School Kings, that's deep, man. See, he don't even have to pay for this stuff, man. But they're my brother, they're my big brother. He still support. So extra love, shout Old School Kings. Justin Smith, Lawrence Parks, shout out to Lawrence, man. I met him plenty of time. Scooter Bailey, my bad, y'all. Frank Williams, and let me see. I think we're getting out to the end. Man. Hold up. Heavy Chevy 228. It's EJ Johnson. I think it's EJ. Let's see. Thing blurry. I'm trying to record y'all. Go to the car. I had to take a picture of the screen cause you gotta look at this stuff on the computer. 87 Cuddy Carter. I skipped over him. Yeah, EJ Johnson, big body, black boy. Where we at? Rayford Moss and Frankie Cade or Gabe. Cade, I'm sorry. Frankie Cade. So shout out to all the BCG Hangout members, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all know we got a little exclusive thing going on and all that. But look, I got the video coming tomorrow. I'm telling y'all now ahead of time. I told people, man, I got the video coming. Y'all saw the post. I got the exclusive monetizing my haters video coming. If you one of them people where you think, Jay, quit talking about it, hey, don't even look at it, man. Don't even look, unless you want to be educated on why I do what I do. Other than that, don't look at it. If you don't want to hear it, don't look at it. I'm telling you right now, the day before. And don't let your kid look at it, cause I'm piping up. I already done shot the video, it's edited and everything. I'm piping up. I told y'all, we got to run it up. BCG, y'all know what time it is. Big SDC time, man. It's time to run it up. It's funny. It's some comedy. I let people have fun with me all year, so now I'm having fun with them one day at the end of the year. So I got that video coming tomorrow. I'm telling you now, it ain't PG-13, explicit content. I'm turning up. I'm piping up. It's a funny video. It's definitely comedic. But if people, I know y'all genuine concerned, say don't entertain this. You can look at it too. Maybe you get educated on why I do it. But if you're gonna go in one ear and out the other, just don't look at it, man. And then we'll be back to regular scheduled program tomorrow. But anyway, let me show y'all what I picked up. Stay tuned. So check this out, y'all. I just picked this up yesterday. And I'm gonna show y'all my collection, man, cause I like the guns too. I'm into a lot of stuff. I just don't put it on camera. But I'm gonna show y'all, man. I might start me a channel, man. I really like them, man. I like assault rifles. I love assault rifles. Shotguns, cool. I like assault rifles though, cause assault rifle is like the in between. The shotgun just powerful, like one of the more powerful. It's the most powerful thing you're gonna get. And I mean, in a gun configuration. But the assault rifle is like that in between. They pack a punch, they powerful, and they give you some range. Shotgun ain't gonna give you that much range. But this thing right here, some of the shotguns, they still, but assault rifle gonna give you good range. They pretty powerful. Then you got your pistols. You got some powerful pistols, but they gonna give you way more range than anything. Accuracy too. They pretty accuracy gonna be good. They small. So let me show y'all my collection, man. But I literally just picked this up yesterday. I just got this, man, yesterday. I've been wanting one. I was like, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. End of the year, let me go ahead and get it. AK-47, of course. I like the classic look, man. I like the classic stock. It looked like a mahogany stock or something. Use a 7.62 by 39 bullet. Kind of look like a 223. They just bigger. 30 round clip. It's a Century AK-47. I bust this thing one time last night, boy. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So I got that, man. I'm gonna get a 50 round for that too. I got an AK-47. I just bought that yesterday. Then my old AR-15. I love it. I love that gun. AR-15, man. Then I'm gonna pick up me a Kel-Tec too. I like them cause they really, I think the Kel-Tec classified as a pistol, so you can keep it in the car too. Cause it looked like a assault rifle, a short assault rifle basically. But then my AR-15, man, laser sight on it. Not the laser that shoots out, but it is a laser sight. Laser sight, like I said, you can change the stock on it. This is Smith & Wesson. I love Smith & Wesson, 30 round clip. I love this gun, man. I love this gun. It's pretty accurate too. Pretty accurate. It ain't that heavy. It ain't front heavy or none of that. But this gun here, the AK, you can feel the weight. But naturally, man, it shoot bigger ammunition, so it's gonna be heavy and all that. So they're my 2 assault rifles. More to come. I'm gonna get a lot more. I'm gonna get a lot more assault rifles. I just like them. I like them, man. I love assault rifles. So I'm gonna get some more. But then my little collection right now. So I bought that AK yesterday. I bought wifey another gun. I think she's gonna do a video on her channel called, you know, women need to be educated too. She got two pistols, but she got one of these. I tell y'all that cause I bought her one too. So I bought 3 guns yesterday. I bought that AK. Then I bought this, and I bought wifey one of these too cause we wanted something smaller. This a Ruger. This a Ruger LCP compact. It's a 380 caliber. No safety on it. No safety. Of course, safety on the assault rifle. Got, like I said, hollow points. I ain't got a chance to shoot it yet. Cause it raining. I was gonna shoot it today, but it raining. We got back last night. I was like, I ain't shoot it. I just shot the AK. Shot 1 round. Let wifey shoot it 1 round. That was it. But like I said, I like the way the gun feel. They got an LCP Max. Ruger got an LCP Max. I probably end up getting that. And they actually hold 10. So this right here can hold 6. But this that one you stick in your pocket, man. Like, you ain't gotta have no holster. You just stick this thing in your pocket. Be ready to go. Cause look, that gun small, man. And see, I wanted something like this. It ain't that heavy. It light. Like I said, this something you can tuck it. You can tuck it. Like I said, you can tuck that thing right here. Nobody know nothing. Cause my thing is stand on go. Stand on go. Nothing is loaded. Definitely practice gun safety. Definitely practice gun safety, man. Know how to handle a gun, load it up and all that. None of this stuff is loaded. Cause you don't want no mistakes. Like I said, man, you can put the thing in there. Walk around like this ain't bad. This and that you put in your jeans. And it just small, man. It compact. You can just boom. Whip out ready. So I got that. I bought that yesterday. I had been looking for something perfect. I like this. That's a Ruger. Then you got, this is my favorite. I love this. The Glock 19X. I love Glock. Glock is my favorite pistol. Glocks never came with safeties. They don't have a safety on them. So this the Glock 19X. I love the body style on Glocks. I like the way they shoot, the recoil, the accuracy. Man, I like Glocks, man. Glock 40s, Glock 9s. Like, I love them. I mean, I'm probably gonna go get a 42, the 40 bigger. This gun kind of, that's why I like 9mm too. They kind of in between mid-side. They a little heavy, but it ain't too much to where you can't carry it around. So, usually, this the one I like to take with me. And I'm gonna get some more pistols and stuff too, but I love Glock. I mean, Glock my favorite brand by far. I ain't did nothing to this one. I ain't changed the sight on them or none of that. So, you know, it just is what it is. So I got that Glock. Then it come with 16 round clip. Come with 16 round clip stock. But I keep this right here, 30 round. I got two of these. So, and this Glock it'll bust all of them with no problem. It'll shoot clean through all of them, man. I done shot my 2 30 round clips, and I got 2 16 round clips. So I got damn near 100 rounds between clips or whatever. So like I said, I got 2 of these, and these are the Glock brand. This is Glock brand clip, which y'all can see they the same. It's a Glock brand clip, obviously. I'm gonna say I got 2 of these and 2 of the 16s, and shoot, good case, carrying case for it and stuff. And man, that's my collection, man. I want to show y'all that, cause I was gonna show y'all the AK anyway. I had just picked up the AK yesterday, man. I was telling wife, I said, man, I gotta show BCG. Then we were like, man, I might as well show the rest of the collection. I mean, y'all probably done seen the Glock and clip sometime. I have it on the seat. when I was filming, it might get got in view sometime, but yeah, it definitely my favorite. I can't say between the two assault rifle, right? Of course, the AR could be my favorite and my first and my only one for a while, but I got the AK now. I ain't got time to really shoot it. I got the AK for the power. I like it. It shoot a bigger bullet. But most of these assault rifles, I like the AR platform. They shoot 223s or 5.56. And that's another thing. Most of these things shoot just 223. Mine shoot a 5.56 round too, and a 223. And they look the same. The ammunition look the same, but a 5.56 is a compression round. And I got them green tip 5.56s. But if you want to know, hold on, I'm trying to. Right here, on the barrel, you can look on the barrel on most of them, it'll tell you. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, but it right there on the top of the barrel, it say 5.56 on it. That lets you know that gun can shoot a 5.56 round too, either or. So, right now, that's what I got. 5.56 compression rounds in it. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Right here. And they look the same. So don't mess around and have 5.56 rounds in your clip and it don't shoot 5.56, man. Like, just be careful. So this a 5.56 round. If you know what a 223 bullet look like, you know they look just like a 223. So, you know, it just, you know, being educated on this stuff, man. Know how to break your gun down, clean it, all that good stuff, which I'm still learning. The cleaning part, especially with the AK, I like to know how to do that. But know how to break it down and clean it, keep everything lubricated and all that stuff like it's supposed to. And this right here, definitely gonna be teaching my girls with this one. It's small and compact. You know, I'm gonna be teaching them proper gun safety and all that right now, get them started early and all of that. So, you know, I want to show y'all the collection, man, and just let y'all know, holler at y'all for today, and let y'all know that got y'all that video coming tomorrow. Give people a pre-warning. So, you know, I am respectful. I'm telling people, hey, don't. It's ain't, unless you let your kid listen to cousin stuff and all that, then cool. Which they're just on the parent. I mean, it ain't excessive, you know, but it is something in it, and it's some entertainment. But, you know, like I said, with my kid, I still listen to cussing music, regular explicit music and stuff. Called my mentality, they gonna hear it anyway. It just teaching them right from wrong. Which, man, my girls, they some real good kids and stuff. They real good kids, obedient, polite, you know. But I teach them, man. Like, look, be ready, be on go, and do what you gonna hear in the world. Like, I can't control the people around you. If we go out somewhere, I can't tell them, hey, don't cuss, call my kids right here. Everybody ain't respectful. And I cuss too. I do. They hear it all the time. So, you know, it just teach them. But I'm just letting you know that video tomorrow coming. Isn't that? But I want to come on here and show the BCG. What I had picked up, man. Show y'all a collection. I'm pretty sure there's some more people on here into firearms and stuff like that. And educate on firearms. Cause like, we all into more than just cars. They're just facts, man. We all are into more than just cars. Like, I love it working out stuff, fitness too. Working out, I love that. But yeah, they're gonna get it, BCG. I just coming on here and holler at y'all cause it's a rainy day. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.